Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to demonstrate you how you can fix your keyboard malfunctioning issue if your any key pressing or any key is not working on your laptop. Like in my case, you can see the Q number of key is keep pressing without any intervention to the keyboard, and if you found there's a way you can remove that keyboard from the front panel and then try to remove all the dust with the help of some brush. And second thing, if after removing the dust and attaching it back, if still it is not working, you can order that part number. The part number is already mentioned in the back side of that panel from the Amazon or Flipkart, and rather going or visiting to any computer shop to repair it, they will charge obviously much more than you can do it at home. And second thing, you can save your time with that screwdriver only. So in the front panel, when you remove your front panel, for me I'm working with this Lenovo G50 70 model. There is a keyboard symbol in the each key screw. Yeah, you can see there. Let me zoom it out for you and circle it. This is the keyboard symbol of keyboard. Yeah, you can see here inside this circle. So each of three screw there is a keyboard symbol, so you can easily remove these screw with the help of a screwdriver, and then you can remove the keyboard from the front panel of your laptop. So I have removed all three keys from the back panel of my keyboard, and now I'm going to remove the keyboard from front panel of my laptop. So you need a safety pin and a screwdriver or pechkes to remove that. So first try to make some space with the safety pin. Just try to, yeah, like this, and then insert your screwdriver there, and then gently try to remove that keyboard, and it will quickly remove from the front panel, and it will be connecting with your motherboard somewhere with this, yes, with this cable. Okay, and just try to remove some dust particle. Most of the time, due to some dust particle, the keyboard start malfunctioning. Just try to remove it, just try to clean it, and also try to remove dust particle from your keyboard with the help of any brush or any toothbrush which is not in use, and then you can connect it back, and hopefully it's supposed to be start working again. So in my case, I have removed it. I am connecting it back, and there's a adapter there to connect that belt, that data cable to the motherboard, and once you will connect it back, it will be easily getting fit to the laptop, and try to start your laptop now. So make sure you are doing all these things with while turning off your laptop. So first thing you need to do to turn off your laptop, and then you should start working with attaching or removing any keyboard or any part, external part to your laptop. So in my case, it's start working now. So that's the way, that's the thing, when you are trying to attach some new keyboard to your laptop. If keyboard is already not working, or most of the keys are not working even after you have tried to remove dust particle from your keyboard, and if it is not working, then you can order it, the part ID, from the Amazon, Flipkart, and then install it safely at home without any issue. And once you are connected it back, you can connect all the screw from the back panel and connect your back panel also, and that's how. That's very simple. Rather going to any computer shop to repair it, you can do it easily at home. So I hope this would be helpful. So that's all for today video. I have connected it back, the back panel and front panel of the keyboard, and it start working now for me. If it is not, then I supposed to go and buy new keyboard and install it at home. So I hope you guys like it. Please like, share and subscribe.